Hey everybody, Tim here, GraymanPOTA, amateur radio call sign, November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot. Well, I am out here at the beautiful Morgan Monroe State Forest again, and tonight I'm going to do a AM only, an amplitude modulation, parks on the air activation. So all summer long I've been working up to this. Occasionally I'll jump in and I'll start doing contacts on AM. Unfortunately, I think so many people are just so used to sideband that they forget that there's other modes of modulation out there. So we're going to go ahead and do it tonight. I actually announced it earlier on Twitter or X, Twix, that I was going to be out here doing this. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get the antenna strung up. I'm going to get the radio set up and get on the air and start making some contacts. My setup's pretty simple. I've got the PAC 10 meter mast that I use, and I'll be leaning it up against that big tree behind me. And I tell you what, this antenna I have, I think I got it last fall. And it's the Reliance antenna, in-fed half-wave mini bug out. And I'll tell you what, I love this thing. This is the entire antenna here, all wrapped up. I've got it cut for 40 meters. Primarily I run 40, 20, and 10 meters is my three primary bands that I do here on POTA activations. So this works out fine for me. All right, got the mast nestled up in there, kind of pinched off into between a couple branches, and it's providing good tension on the wire to keep it up nice and tight. The desktop reference mat that James Quirky QRP makes is very awesome. I use it extensively out here because I am doing AM tonight. I want to have a little bit more power than the 2.5 watts that the 705 provides on AM, bringing out the 7300. And tonight's activities will be powered by the BioInno 20 amp hour battery. Looks like 14340 is clear, and I'm going to try to use that. So EM69SJ is my grid square POTA activation, and 10254 Scout Ridge Nature Preserve, and 4215 is the Morgan Monroe State Forest. So we have got those set. I am connected right now, 40 meters. It's got a few people. Let's see, 14. I'm going to try 14340 and AM.
CQ Park. CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot calling CQ Parks on the air from US 10254, the Scout Ridge Nature Preserve, and US 4215, the Morgan Monroe State Forest. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot calling CQ Parks in the air and standing by.
All right, that is good.
CQ Parks in the air, CQ Parks in the air. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot calling CQ Parks in the air from US 10254, the Scout Ridge Nature Preserve, and US 4215, the Morgan Monroe State Forest. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot calling CQ Parks in the air and standing by. CQ Parks in the air, CQ Parks in the air. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot calling CQ Parks in the air from US 10254, the Scout Ridge Nature Preserve, and US 4215, the Morgan
See how
Monroe
long
State
that
Forest.
takes to get into the
November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot calling CQ Parks in the air
there.
and standing by.
Alpha Bravo 4 Kilo November.
Alpha Bravo 4 Kilo November 59 into the park night, sir.
Roger, good evening. You're also 59 Georgia and 73. Have a good time.
All right, thanks to 59 into Georgia, my friend. You have a great evening at 73. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
Whiskey 3, Uniform Romeo.
The Whiskey 3 station.
Whiskey 3, Uniform Romeo Lima.
Whiskey 3, Uniform Romeo Lima. Josh, 59 into the park night, sir.
QSL, I've got you about a 5-7 into Maryland. Thanks for activating 73.
I got the 5-7 into Maryland, my friend. You have a great evening at 73. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
Kilo 4 Hotel November Hotel.
Kilo 4 Hotel November Hotel. You are about a 5-1 into the park night, sir.
Roger, got about a 5-4, 54 North Alabama.
All right, I copied the 5-4 into North Alabama. You have a great evening at 73, my friend. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
November 33,
I'm on AM. I'm running AM activation. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot.
November 0, Oscar Zulu Zulu.
November 0 Oscar Zulu Zulu. Bobby, 59 into the park night, sir.
QSL, I have you 5x8 in Alpha Lima.
All right, thanks to 5-8 into Alabama, my friend. You have a great evening at 73. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
Victor Echo 3, Alpha Radio Fox.
Victor Echo 3, Alpha Radio Golf, 5-9 into the park tonight.
Yes, Alpha Radio Foxtrot, and you're 5-9 in Ontario.
I made the correction, Rob. Copied the 5-9 into Ontario, my friend. You have a great evening at 73.
Okay, 73.
All right, thank you. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
Alpha 3, Lima Golf.
Victor Alpha 3, Lima Golf, Manfred, 5-9 into the park tonight, sir.
Roger, Roger. Yeah, got you here. 5-7, 5-7 Ontario. Nice to work AM. Holy gee, big change.
Yes, sir. I appreciate you contacting me, and I copied the 5-7 into Ontario. Yeah, I like to try to do a little shake it up every once in a while, and do an AM activation.
Hey, Roger, man. Yeah, no problem at all. There's somebody's pretty close there on 5-10, but we got you in there. 73.
All right, 73, my friend. You have a great evening. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
Kilo Quebec 4, Tango Golf Whiskey.
Kilo Quebec 4, Tango Golf Whiskey, Scott, 5-9 into the park tonight, sir.
Roger, Roger. I've got you about a 5-9 into Memphis, Tennessee, QSL.
I copied the 5-9 into Tennessee, my friend. You have a great evening at 73.
Roger, Roger, 73.
All right, November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
Are you up for 3 or for Lima? Are you right?
November 3, X-Ray Lima Sierra. I'm running AM tonight.
QSL, 5959 Pennsylvania.
November 3, X-Ray Lima Sierra. Joe, got the 5-9 into Pennsylvania. You're 5-9 into the park tonight, sir.
QSL, 73.
Yeah, I thought I'd give you an extra mode to get another contact tonight.
Roger, Roger, 73.
All right, 73, my friend. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
Victor Alpha 3, Oscar Lima.
Victor Alpha 3, Oscar Lima. Tom, 5-9 into the park tonight, sir.
Victor 5-9, you're 5-6, Niagara Falls.
Got the 5-6 into Niagara Falls, my friend. You have a great evening at 73.
Thanks a lot for the AM contact speaker. 73.
All right, thank you very much. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ. All right, well, man, it is dark out here. It went quick. So got a silly headlamp on my face right now, so hopefully you can see me. But hey, I want to thank everybody who reached out to me. 12 contacts on AM tonight, which is better. It's the first time I've actually officially activated the park on AM, which is good. There were still a few people out there. I'm not going to name any names or call signs, but they were still trying to reach me on sideband. Maybe I'll do some videos on what AM sounds like when you're listening to sideband. But hey, no shame in the game. The point is that we're out here having fun and making the airwaves our digital playground. Well, our analog. We're making the airwaves our playground, and we're having fun doing it. You better have some fun doing it. But with all that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get out here, get back on the radio, try to get some more contacts on 20 meter sideband. Appreciate everybody who reached out to me and made a QSO tonight. If you want to help support the channel, I have got memberships and I also have merch for sale. Speaking of supporting the channel, 3,000 subscriber giveaway coming up here pretty soon. I will put a link to that down below on how you can get registered for it. And with all that being said, if you liked this video, please hit the like button, share this content with your friends, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. And until we have an opportunity to meet on the air, I have a video right over here that you might be interested in.